Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood here in my home garage tackling another quick little project for you guys. So I recently built this tubing structure for the back half of this Model T project that I've been working on, and before I finally weld it into the body, I need to pull it back out, get all of the bare metal primed and painted so that when it's in the car, all those hidden areas are sealed up and don't begin to rust. Now I don't have a good way that I could hang or set this so that I can paint it and get into all the tight little areas. So what I decided to do is grab one of the Eastwood paint rack systems, show you guys how quick and easy it is to put one together and how handy it is to paint up something large and difficult to handle like this. So let's get started. Alright, so that was quick and easy. Painting this large part would have been really difficult without having one of these stands. I'm generally trying to prop it up on buckets or hang it from my rafters, whatever different things, and it rarely works how I want it. This was really nice. I was able to set my hooks where I needed them, carry it right from the car, hang it, and I could get all around it in every angle and get some primer on this thing. Now that I have it all primed and prepped, I can throw a coat of paint on it, especially in these hidden areas in the back that are going to be butted up against the back of the body. I can butt them up and start welding everything up once it's back in the car. But this rack made it a lot easier. It's something I can quickly take apart if I want to stash it in the corner of my shop. The two center sections here with the collars, you can take those 4 bolts out in total, break the stand in half, and you can put it in the corner, or you can leave it rollable like this and just roll it off to the side as well and use it whenever you need it. But this is a lifesaver for me for hanging parts, whether they're small or large like this. It makes it really simple, and it's something that you can use in your shop for sure. To check out this product and more, you can click the link down below, or you can visit eastwood.com to get all the tools you need to do the job right. Thanks, guys.